Okay, let's make pencils. First, delete everything by pressing X and delete, and then from mesh select cylinder and then add cylinder in vertices type 12 to get this shape. First, we will make the wood part in object in face mode. Select top and press I and move it up like this. We are done with the wood part. Now press E to extrude up like this and press S and 0, and we are done with the lead part. Now we will focus on the body part, but before the body part I'm going to give this detail. Now select these points with a gap in vertices mode, and after the selection is done, move all the points a little bit down like this. Yes, now it's good. Okay, now again the face mode and select the bottom part and move it down like this. Okay, a little bit more. Now press I and we are done. Yes, now it's the color time. I'm going to make it red. I love red. You can give any color you love. Select the body, the lead, and this point, and in separate select selection, separate these. Now we will give the color to the wood part. I think this color is perfect for the wood part. A little brown and then the red. Yes, like this. Now select everything and press Ctrl and J to join, or let's say merge everything into a single object. Shade smooth, and here select normals and auto smooth, and we are done. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos if you really enjoy them, if you really learn something from them. Thank you.